Welcome viewers, I am Tutor Sokoli. Today's class will have an exponential equation. If x raised to the power x also raised to the power 4 is equal to 4, then what is the value of x? I want you to subscribe to my channel and also like my videos. In actual sense, previously I have made videos on this type of questions, but because this question is sent to me, I'll still go ahead and solve it. Alright, solution to the question. I have x raised to the power 4 equal to 4. In fact, I want to apply the simplest approach to this question so that it will be a quick one. What to do first is to multiply the exponents by 4. Okay? You know, 4 is the same thing as 4 raised to the power 1. Therefore, the exponents by the right hand side and by the left hand side, I will multiply with the power 4. So by the right, it is raised to power 1, then multiply by power 4. Okay? And when this is done, you can see, alright, from the right hand side, 1 will multiply 4 to give me 4 raised to power 4. And by the left hand side, look at this. If I give you x raised to power p or raised to power q, you can switch the exponents. That is, you can interchange the exponents to have it as x raised to power q or raised to power p. They mean the same. They are equal. So doing that to the left hand side, okay, I have x raised to power 4, then multiplying power 4. Now I can switch it to have it written like this. That is moving 4 outside into the bracket and moving x raised to power 4 inside the bracket, outside the bracket. Alright, and that means I will now have x raised to power 4. Now 4 has moved from outside the bracket into the bracket, and then I will now move x raised to power 4, which is inside the bracket, outside the bracket, which is x raised to power 4. I have now interchanged the positions of the exponents since it is correct by law of indices. If you look at this now, you see that what I have is x raised to power 4 also multiplying x raised to power 4. Okay? Therefore, if you have something like this, it is a very easy thing. There is a law in indices that says if I have a raised to power a equal to b raised to power b, okay, from the left hand side, the base and the power are the same. And also from the right hand side, the base and the power are the same. Whenever it is like this, just conclude that the bases are equal. That is, a is equal to b. And of course, the powers are also equal. Therefore, if you look at this, I have x raised to power 4 as the base, and the power is x raised to power 4. Okay, so the base and the power are the same. Now, coming to the right hand side, the base is 4, the power is 4. We can now apply this law of indices, where we say that the base now is equal to the base by the left is equal to the base by the right. And also, the power by the left is equal to the power by the right hand side, meaning that x raised to power 4 is equal to 4. X, the base, raised to power 4 is equal to 4. Or, you can take it from the power side, that x raised to power 4, which is the power, is equal to the 4, which is by the right hand side. Beautiful. And at this juncture, we are done. And what does it mean? X raised to power 4 multiplied by 1 over 4 equal to 4 raised to power 1 over 4. So I have multiplied the exponents by 1 over 4. And the essence of it is to cancel out the power 4 by the left hand side. Okay? And that becomes x. That is x 4 cancel out 4. 4 cancel out 4 at the denominator. And by the right hand side, I have 4 raised to power 1 over 4, which can be written as the fourth root of 4. This is the value of x. It is a brief one and a quick one for that matter. Alright, before we conclude the video, let us try to put the value of x, which we have gotten as the answer, into the original question to see if the left hand side will be equal to the right hand side. Alright, check result. Check result. So given to me is x raised to the power 4. Will this be equal to 4 if we replace the value of x? Let us try. We check it out. From here, x is 4th root of 4 raised to power 4th root of 4 also raised to power 4. Will this be equal to 4? We want to find out. But you can see that 4th root of 4 is here written as 4 raised to power 1 over 4. So I am going to write this 4th root of 4 as a 1 over 4. That means I will now have it as 4 raised to power 1 over 4. That is for the first base raised to power 4 raised to power 1 over 4. That is the power, okay? And then we can still see raised to power 4. Now, raised to power 4. Will this be equal to 4? We want to find out. Alright, moving forward. From the law of indices, 1 over 4 will multiply 4. And that means that the 4 can cancel out 4. To leave me with the 4 raised to power 1 over 4 or raised to power 4. Because 1 over 4 multiplied by 4 is 4 over 4, which is equal to 1. Leaving me here with just 4. And that 4 is this. Also, will this be equal to 4? That is what we want to trace. 4 also can cancel out this. And the work is done. We have left 4 raised to power 1, okay, which is equal to 4. Authenticating the answer that we have gotten, that the value of x in the given question is equal to 4th root of 4 or 4 to the power of 1 over 4. Thank you for watching to the end. Please do subscribe to my channel and share the videos to your learning colleagues. God bless you for watching.